Hey guys, what's up? Brendan from WhisperNode here, and we're back again with another Injective ecosystem tutorial as part of our Ninja Nooby series. So in previous tutorials, we walked you guys through how to get your hands on some Injective tokens on an exchange, how to bridge those tokens to EVM wallets like MetaMask or Rabbit Wallet, and how to use the bridge on various networks. Today, we're going to talk about using the bridge on the Solana network. So we're going to assume that you guys have something like a Phantom wallet extension installed and a Kepler wallet or a Leap wallet or some other Cosmos wallet installed for using within the Injective ecosystem on applications like Helix app. So you may have some tokens in your Phantom wallet, for example, Wormhole or Solana or something that you want to trade on Helix. So the first thing we're going to do is click this Wormhole Connect tab, select Solana network, connect wallet, and you can see these are the different wallets you can use: Taurus, Phantom, BitGet, Clover, Coin98, etc. I'm going to use Phantom wallet for this tutorial. And the assets that you can bridge over are Solana, Wrap Solana, Pith, W, Mother, Wrapped-Matic, ARB, Bonus, SAE, and ASG. So you can see I've got some Solana and I've got a bunch of Wormhole on there. So for this tutorial, we're going to use the Wormhole token. So I've connected my Phantom wallet. Now I'm going to bridge that over to the Injective network, and I'm going to connect one of my Cosmos wallets here. I'm going to use Leap wallet for this tutorial. So I've now connected that wallet, and let's bridge over 10 W tokens, 10 Wormhole tokens. So I'm just going to approve that, and then I'm going to get a pop-up to confirm. And we're just going to wait a minute for that transaction to process there. And we're getting a pop-up now where that is confirming on the Solana network. Should be pretty quick here. All right, and it looks like that bridge is now complete. So let's see if it shows up in my Leap wallet. Oh yeah, it does. I wasn't so sure it would show up by default in there, but you can see I opened my Leap wallet and there's those 10 Wormhole tokens. So now if I go over to Helix app, for example, I should be able to use those Wormhole tokens within the Injective ecosystem. So let's go to the Helix page and connect my Leap wallet here. And you can see the Wormhole token is listed with a USDT pair on Helix. So I could then sell my Wormhole tokens here. Sorry, I'm going to do market sell. Wow, I can do 2 tokens there. And you can see if I click that. Allow this time. All right, I get a pop-up and you can see that now I can sell those Wormhole tokens on Helix app. I could also use them in liquidity provisioning, etc. So that is how you bridge from Solana to Injective network. If I want to go the opposite direction here, again, I would click this Let me go back here. I would click this wormhole connect tab and I would select the Injective network, connect my Leap wallet, select my asset. I have 8 remaining wormhole tokens, bridge that back to Solana here, choose my Phantom wallet, and let's bridge 8 of those suckers back over there. And I'm gonna click approve. And I get that pop up in my Leap wallet. And just keep in mind, guys, here there is this note that it requires a transaction on the Solana network. So you have to have some funds in your Phantom wallet on Solana to process that bridge transaction. You can see that was lightning fast there being on the Injective network. So now I can claim that transaction on the wormhole bridge. That's gonna pop up in my Phantom wallet, and you can see that I'm charged that SOL as gas on the Solana network there. All right, and then I get another pop-up, it looks like, just to confirm the transaction. All right, it looks like I had to confirm a few times, but this time I see the wormhole token balance being updated there, so I'm gonna confirm it again. And now you can see that that transaction is complete, and if I wanna go to the Solana Explorer, I can see that transaction there reflecting that new balance. So it's being a little slow right now. And there we go. So that is it, guys. Thank you for joining WhisperNode on another Ninja Newbie series tutorial. If you guys have any questions within the Injective ecosystem, don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out on Twitter. Send us a DM and we're happy to answer any questions or do any tutorials you guys request. So take it easy, guys. Until the next one.